Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to post GIF on Reddit. First thing you will have to do is to go right here and click on create a post. Now select the community where you want to create your post to and title. Then simply in order to add a GIF, you will have to go to the website giphy.com, then search for a GIF that you like, right click on it and simply click on copy image. Now go back to Reddit and paste the image like so. Now as you can see, the GIF is right here. All you have to do is post right now. And as you can see, if you post your GIF, you should be able to see it right in your post, and after a while it will be here. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.